If you tapped on this video, chances are you have a child that throws food. And the reason I'm creating a video on this is because it's something that's come up a lot in questions on Instagram and also with my one-on-one clients. And so today I'm going to share with you the 2 mistakes that I see parents making, and I wonder if you're making them too. First mistake that I see is when parents say, "We don't throw food." Well, the problem with that is "we don't throw food" doesn't actually tell them what we want them to do. It's telling them what we don't want them to do. And it's always best to reframe this in the positive. So instead of saying "we don't throw food," change your verbiage to "I'm not going to let you throw your food," and then actually follow through with it. What that looks like is that you are going to reach over and hold their hand and prevent them from throwing. And if they already throw it overboard, well, then you need to say something like, "Gee, when you throw your food, that tells me that you're all done eating. Are you all done eating?" And wait for their answer. And then let them know, follow up with, "When you throw food, that tells me you're finished. Next time I'm going to wash you up." And then again, follow through with it. The second mistake I see parents make is that they get angry or show some sort of a reaction, like frustration. It's usually anger, which I totally get. I had a client that they told me that the child, who was about 14 months old, literally picked up the food and threw it right in dad's face. Yeah, your reaction is, of course, that you're going to get angry. But when you give them that angry reaction, they're going to keep doing it because they want to know why that got a reaction and if they can get you to do that reaction again. Now, this doesn't come from them thinking that they can manipulate you. Babies and young toddlers are not manipulators. They have behavior, they see a reaction, and then they want to see if they can get that reaction again. So the best thing you can do is to stay as calm and poker-faced as possible. And then go back to what we just talked about, "I'm not going to let you throw food," and set the boundary and follow through with it. Avoid showing anger or frustration with them because they can see that gets a rise out of you. And when you can implement those 2 things along with, I have another video on food throwing that I'll link in the description for you to watch if you haven't already seen it. When you put all those things together, you're going to start seeing a more positive reaction at mealtimes. If you found this video helpful or you still have issues, drop a comment below. I read them all and I can create another video for you. And if you're struggling with mealtimes in general, like other mealtime behaviors like tantrums, I have an online course called Mealtimes Without Meltdowns that helps parents navigate these difficult situations, and they're often very behavioral based. So tips like this are in the course to help you out. So thank you so much for watching, and this is Talia, the dietitian. Bye-bye. I am passionate about helping parents feed their children better food with less stress. Here are some more videos for you.